over there is the pier, and then this is the entrance into Soi Rambuttri, what will take you down all the way down to Khao San, right? Okay, cool.
Changed a couple of years back.
Come down to Soi, and this is the infamous Gecko Bar. If you've been in Thailand for longer than 2 weeks, you would have been here. And this road will lead you all the way up to Khao San Road. Well, quite the crowds, as you can see. Nice. Coming up to Bangkok. And this is one of the last used bookstores in the whole of Bangkok. There you go.
From 1 p.m. 7:30 Tuesday to Sunday.
Cool, man.
It is a good bookstore, but
Not many left indeed. A little Soi down here. Oh my god. Empty at the moment. But trust me. December the 1st, 11. Empty at the moment, but trust me, it's going to open. December the 1st, I heard. It's going to be where the party's going to happen. Cool graph down here, man. We will do a movie about this temple at some point when we get the time. Right, I am dying to see how much Khao San has changed. That used to be Gulliver's. Wow, completely, absolutely changed. Come on, let's have a walk up, Doug. I mean, back like 12 years ago, this street was heaving, right? Almost like that, yeah. Do you think that movie, The Beach, has something to do with it, right?
I think it was pretty busy before the beach.
There we go, center point of Khao San. Still locked up, but it's gonna open. Okay, let's go down the magic alleyway. Here you can go into Happy Bar. Reggae bar, Happy Bar. Good live bands here as well. Really good live bands. Check it out. Come out here. Come into the Soi here again. All the links will be in the description. The other famous cut through, which goes all the way up Soi 2. I'll show you now. But yeah, we just walk up this street to the roundabout. Another very famous temple near Khao San. So yeah, right next to Khao San we have this beautiful wat. Now what we're going to do now is we're going to go over a bridge, but before we do that we'll just go back to this temple here.
Now we're heading to Soi 2, across the Klong.
So some more real street food down the Dusset area. Absolutely delicious. Some ham going. Chicken going. And here's the bridge. It will take us down to Soi 2. Nice clong. So we're going to walk down here. Now this is interesting. From this point here, if you walk all the way down there, you can go to the Golden Mountain, which our video has. But we're going to go down to Soi 2. There's a footpath down there, right?
Yeah.
Long down here. Chill out. Here's one of there. Out into Soi 2. Well, that was a long walk up.